Do you remember those days when having a Nokia in your pocket wasn't just about owning a phone, it was a status symbol, a sign of trust, and a little flex all rolled into one? That era when a phone wasn't just a gadget, it was a friend. A loyal companion that never let you down. The tank-like build, the battery that just wouldn't quit, and yes, the legendary snake game. Nokia didn't just make phones, it carved a special place in our childhood and youth. Now guess what? That same legendary brand is gearing up to shake the market once again. This isn't just another smartphone, it's the start of a whole new era. And its name, Nokia Royal Ultra 5G. If you want to find out what magical powers this phone holds that has the entire tech world losing sleep, then stick with me till the very end of this video. Design and display. Let's start with the looks, because Nokia has left no stone unturned to make this thing truly royal. The phone comes with a premium titanium frame, similar to what you'd find on iPhones, which makes it incredibly light yet as strong as steel. On the back, there's a vegan leather finish that not only looks stunning but also gives you a premium grip and a luxurious feel every time you hold it. Now, the screen, brace yourself. You get a massive 6.92-inch Super AMOLED LTPO display. When you're gaming or scrolling, the refresh rate can crank all the way up to 144 Hz, making every visual feel smoother than butter. To protect this beauty, Nokia has used Corning Gorilla Glass Armor 2, and with an IP69 rating, it's fully sealed against dust and water. Rain or accidental drops in water. Don't sweat it, this Nokia King isn't budging. Camera setup. Now let's talk about the phone's biggest weapon, its camera. Nokia is going all out with a penta-camera setup, and for photography lovers, this is literally a dream come true. The main sensor, a massive 200-megapixel 1-inch giant sensor, the most powerful in the world right now. What does that mean? You can zoom in like crazy, and you won't lose any detail. Even in pitch-black darkness, it captures crystal clear, noise-free images that look like they were shot in broad daylight. Alongside that, there's a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 32-megapixel telephoto lens with 100x digital zoom, a 16-megapixel portrait lens, and an 8-megapixel macro lens. For selfie lovers, the front camera is a 64-megapixel autofocus beast. People are literally going to look at your photos and ask, "Bro, which DSLR did you shoot this with?" Performance. When it comes to performance, this phone is an absolute beast. Under the hood, it's powered by the world's most advanced and deadly processor, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Built on 3nm technology, it's not just super fast, it's also incredibly power efficient. You get 12 GB or 16 GB of RAM paired with super fast UFS 5.0 storage. Whether you're running 50 apps at the same time, editing high-end videos, or playing heavy games like BGMI at max graphics, this phone will never, ever lag. It also comes with a dedicated gaming and cooling chip that keeps the phone ice cold even during intense heavy-duty tasks. Battery life. The biggest USP of this phone. Its 9500 mAh monster battery. Normally, phones packed with this many features struggle to last a full day. But this Nokia, it will comfortably go 2 to 3 days on a single charge. And even if you somehow manage to drain it, no worries, it supports 120-watt ultra-fast charging, which can juice it from 0 to full in just 15 to 20 minutes. Plus, you also get 50-watt wireless charging for that extra convenience. Software. You also get stock Android 16, which is super clean and free of any bloatware or useless pre-installed apps. That means your privacy stays intact, and your phone stays fast. Nokia has promised 3 years of major Android updates and 5 years of security patches, so you can trust this device for the long haul. Price and launch date. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, price and launch. According to leaks, Nokia is in full attack mode and wants to capture the market. In USA, the expected price is between $850 to $990. Getting features like these at that price would be nothing short of a miracle. Tech experts believe this phone could arrive in USA markets by December 2026, likely around the New Year or Christmas holidays. But keep in mind, this info is based on leaks for now. So, what do you think? Will this Nokia King create absolute havoc in the market and bring back its lost empire? Are you excited to buy this phone? Or do you think other brands in this segment will be able to give it a real challenge? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Every single comment from you guys means the world to us.